So guys, today is 27th May 2021. Today is Thursday, and because of Cyclone Yaas yesterday, our wild parrot were not coming to our balcony. But today, after getting wet the entire day yesterday, today he came and asked for the biscuits, and I gave him the biscuits. So you can see our Nitu parrot is all wet because of Cyclone Yaas. Now the bulbul and sparrow is also enjoying their breakfast. And here's our Nitu parrot. ये तो उड़ जाएगा। बोल रहे हैं यही का खिलाओ, कमुंडी देख बात कर रहा है, बोल रहे दो, अब इसके मुंह में दो, अब फिर वो भी उड़ जाएगा।